Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane. This is Station Jaya, and on this channel, we talk all things law of assumption. If that sounds like your type of vibe, then go ahead and subscribe now because you will love it here. In this video, we are going to be talking about manifesting an appearance change, and I'm going to be giving you my personal weight loss manifestation story, showing you my receipts. But this is not just about weight loss. This is about any kind of appearance change that you want to manifest, whether it's glass skin, because I got that too, or healthy, thick hair, getting fit and toned, whatever it is that you want to manifest appearance wise, then this is the video for you. In case you need a little reminder, let's talk about the law of assumption. The law of assumption is simply that everything that you experience in your reality, you created through your thoughts, your feelings, and your beliefs. In other words, your dominant thoughts that are in your subconscious mind, those are pushing out and creating your personality, your personal reality. And these are the beliefs that are leading you to experience everything that you're experiencing in your reality. What am I talking about? Okay, if you think my metabolism is crap, it is so slow. Every time I smell a cookie, I gain 10 pounds. Oh my gosh, weight is so hard for me to lose, or like, oh my gosh, I can never keep it off. I don't know what's wrong with me. I have no idea why I can't lose weight. Then that is going to create a belief. You are truly going to believe those things, and you're going to start operating in your life with those assumptions, the law of assumption. Guess what? Every time you eat a cookie, you gain 10 pounds. You will never be able to lose any weight, and your metabolism is going to be slow as shit. No diet will ever work out for you until you fix your self concept and you brainwash yourself through the techniques that I'm going to be talking about next to fix those dominant thoughts in your mind and have better thoughts, better feelings, better emotions that are going to push out and change, move mountains to create the reality that you want. Step number one is to get crystal clear on what it is that you want to change about yourself. What is that ideal person, that ideal version of yourself is your highest self. And what I highly suggest is going over to Pinterest and starting a board and start pinning different images and different pictures of that ideal woman. We all go to Pinterest and we start pinning and saving those girlies that we want to look like, but this is going to be very tailored. Personally, I decided that I want to be a Pilates hottie body. So I created a board on Pinterest, Pilates hottie body, and I started pinning that ideal woman, what she looks like visually, what she's doing, where she's going, freaking cute outfits that she's wearing. And those pictures make me feel a certain type of way. They get me really motivated and they get me really excited. So go ahead and make yourself a board, whatever your ideal person is. Let's say, you're trying to manifest long, luscious locks, then you're going to make yourself a board, Rapunzel status. I don't know what it is. And start pinning that thick hair, those gorgeous hair girlies. And you're going to go there. You're going to visit that board. You're going to spend time there every single day to reaffirm what it is that you want and reaffirm those feelings. If you need some inspiration, you can head over to Station Jaya on Pinterest. I've got the Pilates Hottie Body board. I've got like the Yoga Baby board. I've got the Boss Babe board. I've got the Pampered Passenger Princess board. Whatever it is, I've got you, and you can take some inspiration from that. Otherwise, start your board. If you want long eyelashes and you're trying to manifest long eyelashes, start a board about that. If you want to be a snatched workout fitness queen, start a board about that. Once you have your board, I want you to visit that board every single day to affirm yourself. Your attention is the most expensive commodity known to man. Everybody wants your attention. Everybody is trying with every single Instagram reel, with every single TikTok. They are trying to get your attention. But guess what? Your attention is going to be on you. You are going to curate where you are going to be giving your attention. So therefore, give that Pinterest board the attention that it needs, because that's going to be about you. That's about manifesting your reality. Step number two is you are going to pick an affirmation that you are going to be robotically affirming. Robotic affirmation is exactly what it sounds like. It's saying a phrase over and over and over again robotically. You don't have to feel the feelings. You don't have to, imagine or visualize it. You literally need to say the thing over and over and over again. It could be for a day, it could be for 10 minutes, it could be for 10 days. What this is doing is it is flooding your subconscious mind. You are controlling your thoughts over and over again. And pretty soon, that thought, even if you don't believe it, even if you don't feel it, you are going to start thinking this on autopilot. You're not going to be able to help it. And once it gets into your subconscious mind and it becomes an actual belief, this is what's going to be pushed out in your reality. And this is where the magic of the manifestation starts happening. And now here comes the receipts. I'm about to tell you my personal manifestation story that's unfolding for me right now live. I'm actually going through it day by day, and I see my manifestations coming to life because I'm doing these exercises. So I told you I wanted to be a Hadi's Pilates body. Well, about a month ago, a little bit over a month ago, I got this in my head. I've been struggling with my weight forever. I'm telling you, since I've been 8 years old, I've had this disgusting, same old, tired ass story about me being the fat girl, never being able to lose weight, being a heavy and overweight person, failing at weight loss. And I was just ready to let it go. I just didn't want to do it anymore. I don't want to diet. I don't want to have the stress. I just didn't want to do anything I'd ever done before. And then I learned about the law of assumption and I learned about robotic affirming from some random TikTok that led me down the YouTube loop. And now I'm hoping that this video is going to be that for you because I'm here to tell you it works. Back to a month and a half ago, I'm sick and I'm tired of being sick and tired. And I learn about these different techniques and I say, you know what? I want to be a Hadi Pilates body. This is what I want to be. And I created myself a board and I put this picture of this gorgeous girl with her, little tan hat and her hair, and she's snatched and he has a really cute workout outfit, and she is fit and she is toned, and she's my physical ideal of what I want to look like when I'm done with this process. And I said, you know what? I'm going to start affirming and I'm going to do the robotic affirmations. I'm a Pilates Hadi body and I'm going to do it all day long for 3 days. I made myself a commitment and I did it. I started out in the morning. I woke up in the morning. Right when I woke up, I'm a Pilates Hadi body. I'm a Pilates Hadi body. I'm a Pilates Hadi body. Even before I got out of bed, I'm thinking these thoughts. As soon as I'm somewhat conscious, I am thinking, I'm a Pilates Hadi body. I go to the bathroom, I'm a Pilates Hadi body. I'm in the shower, I am taking my everything shower, my hot girl shower, and I'm thinking to myself, I'm the hottest girl alive. I am a Pilates princess. I'm a Pilates Hadi body, Pilates Hadi body, Pilates Hadi body. And I did that all day long into the night. Whenever I could, I'm driving in the car, I'm a Pilates Hadi body. Whenever I'm making my food for the day, I'm a Pilates Hadi body. Then I'm at work, I'm working, I'm paying attention. Any moment that I could, I'm a Pilates Hadi body. I'm a Pilates Hadi body. And what happened the next day? When I got out of bed and when I hopped in the shower, I was already automatically thinking it. I'm a Pilates Hadi body. I'm a Pilates Hadi body. It just started coming to my mind. After 3 days, I'm telling you, it was absolute magic. I just felt like I'm a Pilates Hadi body. I kept it there. I didn't even have to affirm. That is just who I became in my mind mentally. It would just spring into my mind constantly. So I started acting, not dieting, not doing anything different, not going to Pilates. I just kind of felt like I'm this Pilates princess and this is who I am. It was just my feeling. It was just a thought in my head. It hadn't even come out into the reality. And I was thinking to myself, well, how is this going to work? Well, let me tell you how it works. I got a divine inspired idea to finally look for a Pilates studio. And I start looking for Pilates studios and I start calling all of these different studios. And guess what? Oh my gosh, it is so expensive. For an unlimited membership, it could cost upwards of $300 a month to go to Pilates. I'm like, that's not in my budget right now. That's a freaking car payment. I don't want to do that. That's out of my comfort zone. But I said, you know what? I'm a Pilates hottie body. I'm a Pilates hottie body. I'm a Pilates hottie body. I just went back into the robotic affirming. And then after about a week or so, my really good friend calls me and she's like, hey girl, you know what? I know you want to do Pilates. My studio is opening up a brand new studio right down the street from your house. Why don't you call there and see if they're running any promotions? Well, I do call there and they are running a humongous promotion where if I signed up for unlimited Pilates before they opened, I would get unlimited for $200 a month, which is way better. It's a way better deal than anywhere else, even remotely close to my house. And it's something that's doable for me. It is in my budget. I'm like, you know what? That's a little bit better for me. So fantastic. I end up signing up. I end up going to Pilates and I love it. I start going. It feels amazing and it inspires my girlfriend to sign up as well. She signs up very shortly after I do. And then they call me up and they're like, oh, thank you so much for your referral. We're giving you a $100 gift card for the retail store as a thank you. So that's another $100 for whatever I want at Pilates. Is that it? Absolutely not. My mother-in-law hears that I'm doing Pilates and I have a very brief conversation with her. I tell her, yeah, I'm really liking it. I'm really enjoying it. And then I go to an event where my sister-in-law ends up telling me, oh my God, my mom was going on and on and on about you and Pilates and how it's changed your life and how you look so amazing. She could already see the change in you. And she's having that conversation with people I'm not even there. I'm not even there. I'm a Pilates hottie body. I'm a Pilates hottie body. I'm a Pilates hottie body. And then few days after that, I end up going to a concert with my husband. It's a reggae concert. We are having fun. I end up getting really cold and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm cold. And my husband's like, oh yeah, that's because you're a Pilates hottie body now. You're losing all this weight and now you're just so cold. And he was kind of joking, but not joking. And we were laughing together and I'm like, oh my gosh, it is spreading. I am a Pilates hottie body. And is that all? No, absolutely not. I am dropping weight. I am losing weight. Within the last 3 weeks, I've lost 8 pounds. People are telling me, oh my God, girl, what are you doing? You are looking amazing. Oh my God, you have lost so much weight. Wow. And I'm not even eating anything different. I'm not doing anything except doing something I enjoy. And if you've ever done Pilates, it's like hard, but you don't get sweaty. You don't get like, it's not like a crazy sweaty workout where you're doing like these crazy burpees or you're doing all of this insane cardio. No, you're like laying down on a machine, you're doing very small movements. It's lovely. So basically, I'm a Pilates hottie body. This is currently unfolding for me right now. And on top of I'm a Pilates hottie body, I have decided to add what my goal weight is. So I am starting to affirm I am 150 pounds. I'm a Pilates hottie body and I'm 150 pounds. And I'm affirming this over and over again. My friends, go ahead and subscribe to the channel now if you want to monitor my progress and also update me on your progress as well in the comments section. This is the time to do it. Let's do this together. Let's not go into another year with the same old disgusting story. You can brainwash yourself. You can manifest anything that you want with the power of your dominant thoughts. So let's start thinking the right things. So you are going to create your Pinterest board and you are going to robotically affirm for as long as you need. And I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I want to hear about your progress. Make sure to save this video. Definitely give me a like because I know that you liked it. And come on back and let me know what's going on with you. I want to do this with you. Until the next video, I love you guys so much. Bye.